Kim Chiu halos malunod ng halik sa behind-the-scenes eksena nila ni Paolo Avellino. Hindi talaga binibigo ng Kim Pao Love Team at Viu Philippines ang mga tagahanga nina Kim Chiu at Paolo Avellino dahil naglabas na naman ito ng bagong behind the scenes sa kanilang wedding eksena. Sa nasabing video nang ay nagkaroon din ng rehearsals ang dalawa sa magaganap na halikan nila. Enjoy na enjoy at makikita sa mga mata ni Paolo Avellino na natutuwa ito sa kanyang ginagawa. Ganoon din naman si Kim Chiu na palaging mataas ang energy at hindi nagpapatinag sa pag-asar sa aktor at rumored boyfriend. Sabi nga ng ilang netizens ay si Kim Chiu lang ang nakakagawa ng ganito sa aktor at may karapatan naman daw kasi ang aktres. Hindi naman mapigilan ng ilang Kim Pao fans na magkomento sa nasabing video. Ayon sa isang fan ay ramdam ko na totoo kay. Sana kayo na nga para mas marami pa kayo mapaligaya at deserve nyo din na lumigaya #KimPao. Thank you VUPH for a beautiful rom-com adaptation. PH much better than the original with a Filipino touch. Of course, the story won't have a lasting love in hearts for the lovely and romantic couple Kim Pao. Wish you would make more projects for them. We are saddened of its abrupt end, however we shall hope for another adaptation starring our equally talented stars Kim Pao. Ikakasal na ang Kim Pao next year. Ihanda ang mga lechon. Thank you at Viu Philippines because you never failed us in giving the BTS though the series was done streaming yet you really value or consider us and supported our sepengs. Just sad that this has to end last BTS for it's the last episode and it's a wrap. Forever grateful. Never did I regret installing the app and changed my midnight habit because of what's wrong with Secretary Kim. Those sleepless nights, I can say were therapy more than stress. Thank you so much at Chanite Princess and at Paolo Avellino for being so great on your chosen craft. Whatever bond you have created professionally and personally stays or even makes it tighter. Anong masasabi ninyo sa balitang ito? Comment down below. Salamat.